Hyperlapse. I'm pumped. Yes, I'm pumped. I'm so much pumped about Hyperlapse. This is one of the great features and every drone flyer would love it. So let's not waste time. Let's check out Hyperlapse. Hope you guys liked the video as I liked making it. If you did, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. I'll be making more brand new videos. Till then, my name is Shamim and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.